welcome to our room. The living room area and a nice couch over here. It's a good TV and fridge set up over here with the mini bar. You can see the little light. You can open it. Got the tea and coffee station there. TV, you can tilt a little bit to watch from bed. And out here we have a little balcony, and this leads out to the pool area, so you can come straight out and get in the pool. This pool connects to about 5 rooms. Alright, so this door over here is just when you have interconnecting rooms for larger families. Over here is the wardrobe area, so it's pretty good space here. You got the safe and loads of space there. This wardrobe has one big sliding panel. Push across, and all the usual robes and slippers and stuff in there. Let's go look at the bathroom. Got the big rainfall shower head. And the standard shower head here. Some little nice branded products here. And this side has the beautiful stone bath. Quite a large bath too. We have the bath tap and then an extra shower head. Okay, so this was the deluxe pool access room. It comes with 2 configurations, 2 types of bedding. This place is sort of at the farthest end of the staircase that comes down by the entry waterfall. The pools and restaurants are at the other end, and this end sort of has the closest access to Bali Collection, which is the shopping sort of centre in Nusa Dua. Yeah, so check out our other channel that has our family vlogs of Nusa Dua. Let's go back out to the pool.